go to Disney Hotel. I'll pack this shorts to go with this, flip-flops, swimsuit, some of these, my nail polish in case mine need touch-ups. Okay, Gabriella. I'll see you at the Disney Hotel. I'm on the way to Disneyland with Isaac, Lala, Mummy, and Apple who's taking video. I'm gonna go swimming, and then I'm gonna go more swimming, and then more swimming, and then another swimming, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go to Disneyland Park. Look, look, look! I can see Disneyland! And we got the key because of my birthday. We got a free upgrade. We're here. This is my room. Let's go in.
We don't want to grow.
Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I'm gonna get changed into my unicorn t-shirt. Ta-da! Orange! Orange! OMG! They gave me a case made out of towels, a birthday greeting card. The card says, wishing you a birthday filled with magical memories and years of happy days. Best wishes, Mickey Mouse. I'm so happy! Guess where I'm going? We got Stitch ice cream! Cheers! Look at my tongue! 신나는 생을 보내고 항상 건강하자 사랑해. Daughter, wishing you a magical birthday. I like her, except her horn's too long. This is my new choker, and I can wear it in the swimming pool because it has no metal. Birthday badge on, my handbag on, and now I'm ready to go to Disneyland. Me and Helen are getting matching purple Minnie Mouse headband. Everybody cheers! Cheers!